Alaska Public Media relies on support from listeners to power the news team. Become a supporter today by calling 907-550-8...
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are sunny. Friday was rainy. Saturday is saying cloudy, and Sunday cloudy with chance of rain.
I will take my phone. I can find some nice view that. Wait, where's my phone? Okay.
You know, when you learn black film history, it tends to be framed by the question of stereotypes.
Jacqueline Stewart is the president of the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures. She moderated tonight's discussion of McDaniel's career, and she says viewers should take a deeper look at what black actors like her did within the rigid confines of the roles they played.
Hattie McDaniel is just like a radical figure in that regard, because you can see that she's doing things in the nuances of the way that she speaks and gestures and interacts with her other performers, her fellow performers, to show that she's not really believing in the limitations of these parts, but rather she's questioning them.
Kevin John Goff, who sat on the panel, agreed. He's a filmmaker, and he's also Hattie McDaniel's great-grandnephew. He helps people also remember that despite the seemingly subservient role she took on screen, she was a fighter.
She fought for fair housing. She was part of the NAACP, and she had arguments with